So we're in Fresno, California, and we just finished installing a new replacement kit for the tank here. We identified it, the toilet. I think it was either marking stamped on the lid or in the tank itself. I don't know, but I would certainly save this information, this documentation right here. Just hold on to that, and the rest of the stuff's in there. So water saver 210 and ultra flush 211 ULF flush valves, and so that's the kit that you got. And of course, that's straight from the manufacturer. Can't remember where we got it from, but anyway, so it's all replaced. Everything in there is brand new. The fill valve, which is old school with the old ball over there and the rod, and then of course flush valve. You still have those today in a lot of the tanks, like American Standard, or is it just Mansfield? I'm not really sure. Levers new, flush valves new, fill valves new. The bolts are new, going to the tank. 1, 2, 3 bolts. And then, of course, underneath, we gave you a new supply line. So the other one was original to the home, so 17 years old, and we just replaced it as well. So we've taken some light and shined it back up in there, and you can see, hopefully, you can see these guys. Let me see. There. Sorry about all the shaking. So anyways, there's the bolts coming through, and then, of course, it's hard to see the gasket in there, the black gasket, and I can see it from back here. You probably can't see it because I'm shaking too much trying to hold this camera. Anyways, we flushed it, we've filled it, we've checked it, and there's no leaking back there. So the 3 closet bolts that we've got in there, and I'm gonna just pretend like I'm taking a picture of it right now while I'm looking in there. Those 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3, no leaking through there. And then, of course, the big rubber gasket in the middle where the water flushes out down to the tank right there. That is not leaking either. So everything's good in here. We're going to put the lid back on it and flush it one more time for good measure. And outside of that, this installation is done.